रोड गाड़ी नहीं मिलती अपने रोड से।
अच्छा अच्छा आई थॉट दैट 1.22 वालों के साथ आई मैं ऑलरेडी लगा रही थी कि आज है ओके
So therefore I was working so hard.
think about it next word
But however,
but and however
I have warned you already, but you didn't take it seriously. Or however, the team worked hard on the project. However, the deadline was passed. Means
good very good formal sentence वाला बोले
the team worked hard on the project. However, the deadline was missed.
however the deadline was very good next
Also, additionally, yesterday I went to the market. Also, I visited my friend's home. I plan to complete my homework. Additionally, I would like to go to the gym.
initially I would like to
Go to the gym.
go to the gym all right next okay good
I found that this syllabus is not difficult, and we discovered that this syllabus is not difficult as we used to think.
after a detailed discussion we discovered that ठीक है मतलब थोड़ा सा initial phrase लगा दे इसके साथ में बाकी sentence बिल्कुल ठीक है ये बच्चे
We have to put off the picnic because it started raining.
yeah it has started raining
Postpone, the meeting has been postponed until the next Monday due to scheduling conflict.
very good next finished okay so and therefore I get that yeah
Sir, I had some important meetings, so I couldn't attend the family function.
I had some important meeting so I couldn't attend okay that's
And
informal
Therefore, because my exams are near, therefore I had to study hard.
Okay. Right. Good. There is another sentence. Turn the page. अब वही sentence पढ़ो. Please read it. Read the sentence.
सर आपने देखा है मैं सैंपल नहीं होगा
कैसे accept नहीं होगा?
आप देखो
किसको?
मुझे
देखते हैं मैं.
नहीं
हाँ.
जो लिखा है उसके ऊपर वो जो लिखा हुआ है
क्या लिखा हुआ है? I
कुछ नहीं है
go back. You have been recorded, you know. I love.
गुड नाइट
I just yawned. You see, if I confess in front of a judge that I have murdered somebody, right? I have written somebody I have murdered. So, do you think that it will be excused? Because judge has not seen me murdering the person.
सर प्रोसिक्यूटर डायरेक्टर
कि प्रोसिक्यूटर नहीं ये फैसिलिटेटर का काम होता है जिसको चलते हैं कि मतलब वो I mean I am the evidence
आप देखेंगे
आपने confession किया you have confessed
उनके पास क्या प्रूफ है आपने मुझे
हाँ exactly
आपके पास क्या प्रूफ
I have like so many witnesses here
कोई खड़ा हो गया आपने देखा है
हाँ
कोई खड़ा हो गया आपने देखा है
मतलब they trust me so much definitely अब मतलब जो है वो जब बॉडी साहब की बात कर रहे हैं
जस्ट स्ट्रेस देखता था तो अपने घर वालों की क्या नाम है वो चल जाती क्या कहते हैं विटनेसेस चल जाते इतना ज्यादा नहीं चलता है
he wouldn't have to sell his kidney if he would be filing for that and all that, right so okay good nice yes therefore आपने क्या बताया मुझे
As my exams are coming near, therefore I have to study hard to pass.
as the exams are coming near therefore I have to study I have to
I have to do it.
yeah I
I
have to
study hard to
hard.
pass them at a good marks.
Yes. Good. All right. Look at the WhatsApp, please. 120 बनाया ना sentences अभी क्या है? Okay. 21 to 40. 21 to 40 आपने बनाने हैं आज घर पे. ये खोले जरा. Look at this, please. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैंने आपको जो है वो क्या आई नहीं अभी आपके पास? अच्छा, गर्ल्स को तो बस आ गई लिस्ट की वाली? ओके, नाउ दिस इज समथिंग आप इमाज नंबर ले लें उमर का, उमर को सेंड कर दोगे, फॉरवर्ड कर दो। Every word has 4 options, right? अच्छा, multiple choice questions के अंदर look at the whiteboard everybody. If a word or a question is given there and you have multiple options afterwards, the best thing is to choose the correct option. If you cannot choose the correct option, start deleting the wrong options. You understand this? Right? Our word is lucky. Right? Very simple exercise is there. अब लकी का जो सिनोनिम है दैट्स फॉर्चुनेट, ठीक है? इट्स फॉर्चुनेट. If you don't know unlucky, if you don't know the meaning of lucky, right? Yeah, you cannot find out the word. So start taking the word. Lucky cannot be dishonest, right? It cannot be unhappy, and it cannot be honest. So the only one left is fortunate. अच्छा, 90% भी होता है intuition helps you. बहुत दफा ऐसा होता है जिसमें आपने एक सेंटेंस सुना है, ब्राइटनेस ठीक है, सिग्नल्स पूरा है, अच्छा सिर्फ क्या नहीं था, अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे भी देखने का जा रहा है. सो सिनोनिम्स के अंदर जो है ना आपकी इंट्यूशन समटाइम्स बहुत दफा ऐसा होता है कि आप एक क्वेश्चन या सेंटेंस पढ़ते हैं, you know that there is something wrong with it. What is wrong with it? That you don't know. या आपको फील हो जाता है कि there is something wrong in this sentence. आप exactly आपको नहीं पता कि इसके अंदर जो है उसने ordinal pronoun जो है वो use करना था, उसने cardinal use किया हुआ है. आपको तो pronoun की types नहीं आती ना, नहीं आती उनकी, ज़्यादा we don't use them that much. So it is to choose the correct option. If you cannot, delete the incorrect option. Look at the list, please. Abundant. यहाँ पे ड्राइवर वाली अपने ना नोटबुक के ऊपर नंबर्स लिखें. Yes. Write numbers on your notebook. Forward है किसी के पास एक्स्ट्रा? आज वैसे भी जुमेरात है. नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए था, किसी और को चाहिए था, मेरे साथ को चाहिए था, तो उन्हें हसीब से ज़बरदस्ती छीन लिया. जी, shall we look at it? Okay. Number 1. अब ओके, लेकिन ये लास्ट one. अच्छा नाम क्या आपका? Amen. G Amen. Number 1, abundant. किसी ने don't take any help from Meta or anything, dictionary.com नहीं खोलना है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. ये these words are basically easy to medium difficulty level. तो जरा चेक कर लेते हैं कि आपकी अपनी vocabulary कितनी अच्छी है, ठीक है? किसी वर्ड को अभी उसका मीनिंग चेक नहीं करना है अलग से, खुद से. जी बच्चे, abundant is
Plentiful.
B, beta, plentiful. Good. Number 2.
Charlie, short.
Brief is Charlie, short. Good. Cautious. Number 3.
Cautious is alert.
Cautious cannot be careless, cannot be reckless, cannot be lazy. तीन चीजें नेगेटिव है. Cautious is alert. Diligent.
Hardworking.
He is a very diligent worker.
Hardworking.
Hard working. शाबाश. अब यहाँ पे आपको ना थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस भी यूज करके कि जो नेगेटिव तीनों चीजें हैं वो निकाल दी, उससे जो मतलब बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट हो रहा है मीनिंग उसका. जी बच्चे नेक्स्ट.
Fluent.
Eloquent. Yes. Number 5. 5 है ना आपका? जी बेटा.
Fluent. B option.
B option. Fluent. Yes. Somebody who knows their work very well. जी बच्चे, your turn. Number 6. Fragile.
Delicate.
Yes. Handle with care. This is fragile item. अक्सर आपने शीशे वीशे के बर्तनों के ऊपर या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के ऊपर स्टिकर लगा हुआ देखा होगा. Fragile means delicate. Number 7.
Beta.
Hostile. Aggressive. Beta. Yes. Abash. Imitate.
Cloudy.
Charlie. Copy. Don't imitate your teachers.
9 का beta.
Jealous. Envious. Beta. Correct. You beta.
Keen का eager.
Keen is A. Alpha. Eager. Umar. Number 11. Deadly. Yes. We will use lethal force in a combat. Good. That is up. Mend. Repair. ऊंचा बोला था किसी को आवाज आ जाए. मारो ना.
Ignore.
Neglect.
Ignore.
Ignore. Mobile is mobile. जी उसको obscure. सेंटेंस बोलता हूँ तो आपको समझ आ जाएगा. Do not try to obscure the evidence. Hide. Hidden. Good. Peculiar.
Strange.
Strange. This is red color, but it's a very peculiar shade of red color. Strange shade. Unusual. Give it a reluctant.
Hesitate.
Hesitant. Hesitant. Swear. If you do not obey the law, there is a severe punishment. Strict punishment. The weather was, the cold is so severe these days. Tedious. How many of you know the meaning? Raise your hands. Tedious. You look happy today. Happy? Oh God, I had such a tedious work all day. Boring. Yes. क्योंकि बाकी तीनों जो है वो पॉजिटिव थे ना. Exciting, quick, enjoyable. That was only negative things. Ultimate. आपने ही बताया था. tedious का meaning भी नहीं बताया था. Ultimate बता दें. This is the ultimate version of final. Final. Vanish. stage. Good. Jivache?
Accurate, approximate.
No. देखिए अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ your answer is accurate, that is good. Your answer is approximate. Your answer is almost accurate.
अल्फा
अभी जो है इसका आंसर अल्फा होना चाहिए. अगर almost accurate होगा तो फिर that would be delta, approximate. जी बच्चे?
Bold, brave,
Brave,
conceal, hide,
height. Conceal is height.
Deficient, lacking.
Deficient is lacking. Good.
emerge, surface,
Emerge is surface. It emerged.
hide is hide.
हो गया ना? तुम्हारी बारी है. Feasible. Practical. Feasible.
प्रैक्टिकल
Practical. That is what? Delta, beta. That's beta. 27. Genuine,
रियल
real. Genuine, real. Okay. 29.